Assalamualaikum, my dear students, viewers and spectators. Welcome to Professor Ghulam Hussain Bhatti Chemistry channel. Inorganic Chemistry second year class, chapter number 2. Dear students, the topic of today's discussion is peculiar or anomalous behavior of lithium. It's extremely important long question as compared to paper point of view, and this long question was there in many board papers. Dear students, the question is that why lithium shows peculiar behavior as compared to other elements, that is other alkali metals. Dear students, its answer is peculiar mean different or anomalous. Number one point, why its reasons are: number one, lithium has very small size as compared to other alkali metals. Its atomic size is 126 picometer. Both lithium and lithium ion, both lithium and lithium ion, Li+1, have very small size. Lithium has atomic number 3. You must remember. Lithium has high charge density. Its nucleus has 3 protons and 3 electrons are present in it, and its outermost shell contain 1 electron. That is, 1 electron is present in its outermost shell. It has high charge and small size, so its charge density is also high. Dear students, now lithium has high electronegativity value. Why its electronegativity of lithium is high? Because it's have high charge density. Due to high charge density, lithium has high electronegativity value. And point number 4, my dear students, due to very high charge density, attraction of nucleus to the valence shell is very strong, so it is difficult to remove electron from the valence shell of lithium, because its size is small and attraction of nucleus toward the valence electron is very strong, so it is very difficult to remove electron from the valence shell of lithium, and the valence shell of lithium contain 1 electron. Atomic number of lithium is 3. 2 electrons are present in the inner shell and 1 electron is present in the valence shell. My dear students, point number 4, least electropositive. My dear student, lithium is least electropositive. Lithium is less electropositive than sodium. You must remember, lithium is less electropositive than sodium due to what is the reason behind? Due to high charge density and least electropositive nature of lithium. Lithium shows different properties from other alkali metals. Dear students, these are the reasons due to which we can say that anomalous behavior of lithium with other elements. Now, anomalous properties of lithium with other alkali metals. Stop. Now, my dear students, anomalous properties of lithium from other alkali metals are differences of lithium from other alkali metals. If it's a long question, then you will have to write down at least 8 properties. Number 1, hardness. My dear students, lithium is very hard, but all other alkali metals are soft. It's point number 1. Why lithium is hard? Because lithium has small size and high nuclear charge density. My dear students, point number 2, solubility of salts. Lithium salts, my dear student, lithium salts are least soluble in water. That is, which salt? Lithium carbonate and lithium phosphate. They are least soluble in water, while other alkali metal salts are soluble in water. Their solubility, other alkali metal salts are usually more soluble in water as compared to lithium salt, that is lithium carbonate and lithium phosphate. Friends, complex formation. Dear students, lithium form complex compounds, that is, we can say that lithium tetraamine complex, LiNH3 whole 4 plus 1. It is a complex compound. Its name is lithium tetraamine complex, it is formed. Lithium has the ability to form complex compounds while other alkali metals cannot form complex compounds. Now the point number 4, reaction with water. My dear students, lithium reaction of lithium with water is slow, while other alkali metals react with water vigorously. They react with water vigorously, while the reaction of lithium with water is slow, while other alkali metals, they vigorously react with water. Because what is the reason behind why they react with water very strong? Because alkali metal, because other alkali metals, they can lose their electron easily, but lithium cannot lose its electron easily. This is the reason behind. Dear students, point number 5, stability of salts. Dear students, when we heat lithium carbonate and lithium nitrate, then what will happen? They will decompose to form lithium oxide. My dear students, because smaller cation, this is lithium is cation, its size is small, and carbonate is an anion, its size is large. Similarly, lithium is a cation, its size is small, but nitrate is an anion, its size is large. They are not stable compounds. They are not stable because cation and anion size is different. They are not stable. When we will heat these two, lithium carbonate and lithium nitrate, upon decomposition they produce stable oxide, that is lithium oxide. Because why lithium oxide is stable? Because lithium and oxygen both have small size. My dear students, but other alkali metal salts are stable, but salt of lithium salts are not stable. I have explained the reason why lithium salts are not stable, because their cation and anions they don't have equal size. My dear students, therefore lithium nitrate and lithium carbonate, they are least stable. They are least stable, while other alkali metal salts are more stable. But lithium has the ability that after its decomposition or upon heating, it will produce stable oxides. That is, example is lithium oxide. Dear students, now the next reaction number 6 is reaction with oxygen. My dear students, lithium when react with oxygen, it will produce normal oxide, that is Li2O. It is lithium oxide, that is normal oxide, while other alkali metals when react with oxygen, they will produce peroxide and superoxide. For example, when sodium react with oxygen, it will produce sodium peroxide Na2O, and when potassium will react with oxygen, it will produce KO2, that is potassium superoxide. Students, point number 7, stability of hydrides. Dear students, lithium hydride is more stable because lithium and hydrogen both have small size and form a stable compound, that is lithium hydride. Lithium has small size, hydrogen has small size, both size is small, therefore a stable compound, that is lithium hydride, is produced. While other alkali metal hydrides, that is sodium hydride, is unstable. When it react with water, it will be converted into sodium hydroxide, that is other alkali metals produce hydroxides when they react with water. My dear students, now similarly point number 8, covalent nature of compounds. Dear students, lithium has small size, high charge density and high polarizing power, and form covalent bond. That is why, because lithium has small size and high charge density and high polarizing power, and will polarize others and will form covalent bond, while other alkali metals form ionic bond. While other alkali metals, they will produce ionic bond. Now, point number 9, reactivity. My dear students, lithium is least reactive. Lithium is least reactive because size increases down the group and ability to lose electron increases. So lithium is present at the top, therefore lithium has small size and is least reactive as compared to other alkali metals. When we move from top to bottom in a group, then what will happen? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, that is size increases down the group due to increase in size. Ability to remove electron become easier. Therefore, we can say that lithium is least reactive because of its small size. Now the reaction point number 10, reaction of acetylene. My dear students, lithium cannot react with acetylene, but other alkali metals, they can react with acetylene and produce acetylide. This is sodium. When it will react with acetylene, it will be converted into sodium acetylide and hydrogen gas is liberated, while lithium, no reaction with acetylene has shown. Dear students, point number 11, decomposition of compounds with heat. When we heat lithium carbonate, it will decompose into lithium oxide and carbon dioxide. My dear students, it is because lattice energy of lithium is very high and more stable. Lithium oxide is more stable, Li2O is more stable, but lithium carbonate is unstable. My dear students, lithium has small size while carbonate has large size, but it is unstable. But lithium oxide is a stable compound because both lithium and oxygen have small size. Lithium carbonate, similarly, lithium nitrate, lithium has small size and nitrate has large size. It is unstable, but when we heat lithium nitrate, it will be decomposed into lithium oxide and nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Therefore, we can say that lithium compounds decompose upon heating because they have high lattice energy. On the other hand, sodium nitrate, sodium nitrate, if we heat sodium nitrate, cannot decompose upon heating. Like lithium carbonate and sodium carbonate, when we heat sodium nitrate, it will be converted into sodium nitrite, NaNO2, and oxygen is produced. But on the other hand, if you heat sodium nitrate, they will produce sodium nitrite, NaNO2, and cannot decompose like that of lithium carbonate and lithium nitrate. My dear students, point number 12, decomposition of hydroxides. My dear students, lithium hydroxide is an unstable, and when we heat lithium hydroxide, it will be converted into lithium oxide. I have already explained the reason of this. Lithium size is small while hydroxide size is large. Therefore, lithium hydroxide is an unstable compound, while but it will decompose into lithium oxide and produce lithium oxide, which is a stable compound, while other alkali metal hydroxide, that is sodium hydroxide, they are stable hydroxides. They are stable on heat. Point number 13, reaction with water. My dear students, when lithium is reacted with carbon, then lithium carbide is produced, while other members of the alkali metal don't react with carbon. Point number 14, reaction with nitrogen. My dear students, when lithium is reacted with nitrogen, then lithium nitride, Li3N, lithium nitride will be produced. Lithium nitride is a stable compound, while other alkali metal don't react with nitrogen. My dear student, last but not the least point is enthalpy of solution. My dear students, it is very important point. When lithium chloride are dissolved in water. This is lithium chloride. When we dissolve it in water, then what will happen? My dear student, when we dissolve it in water, then what will happen? My dear students, the enthalpy of solution will be negative. That is, delta H value is negative. Enthalpy of solution is negative. When the enthalpy of solution is negative, then it means that reaction is exothermic. And my dear students, these are those compounds whose solubility decreases upon heating. These compounds are those compounds whose solubility decreases upon heating, while on the other hand, other alkali metals, that is sodium chloride, when we dissolve in water, then its solubility increases upon heating and its enthalpy of solution is positive. And if enthalpy of solution is positive, then that reaction is endothermic. My dear students, you must remember that when lithium chloride is dissolved in water, then its solubility decreases upon heating. And when sodium chloride is dissolved in water, then its solubility increases upon heating. And the enthalpy of solution is positive in the case of sodium chloride, and enthalpy of solution is negative in the case of lithium chloride. Dear students, this is all about enthalpy of solution. Dear student, it is extremely important long question, and the decomposition of lithium carbonate and lithium nitrate is also an important short question according to board paper point of view. I have explained all the question with reasons. Thank you very much, my dear students, viewers and spectators, for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.